Hello and welcome. We're going to be covering the roof and garage door installs today to get us dried in. Kicking things off here with the roof. This is my first time watching a roof get installed from beginning to end, and wow, what a ton of work it is. Just the effort to get all the material up on the roof alone is mind-boggling. We ended up going with an all-black shingle. Seems like that's what most homes are getting installed these days, and we thought it would look really nice with the color scheme that we were ultimately going to paint the house. Not only are the shingles a lot of work, but the flashing is an effort in its own. Just all the detail that they had to add here to make sure that water runs off the roof properly. Being that it's winter now, they had to use every last minute of daylight. As you can see, they're just wrapping up here as the sun is almost completely gone. Made for some amazing views though. With the roof finish, we're moving on to the garage doors, which is the last thing to get us completely dried in. We had two different doors being installed, 14-foot and a 9-foot Clopay Bridgeport, which is a steel door. It had windows at the top and paneling at the bottom. Really surprised by how expensive garage doors are. I originally wanted to get some nice carriage house doors from Clopay. They have some other options that have kind of a faux wood look, and it was probably going to be double what we ended up paying for these here. So to us, that just didn't make any sense, and this was kind of a nice middle ground. Turns out Clopay ended up screwing up the order, and as you can see here, this panel doesn't look like the other ones. So they sent us a flat, plain panel that they're ultimately going to send us a new one for. But yeah, that was kind of funny. It came right out of the box that way. It was just the wrong one. Despite them sending the wrong panel, I am still pleased with how these turned out. I think they look great. We're ultimately going to paint them, but yeah, great looking doors. I think they have like R18 insulation, so just all around nice doors. You may notice that they're not actually installing any of the openers yet. Since we're having drywall done shortly after this, we decided to hold on that, prevent it from getting all gunked up with drywall dust, and they'll be back once it's all finished to install side-mounted door openers. And that's it. Garage doors are in, roof is on, we're ready for insulation and drywall. See you in the next one.